Get ready to dive into the world of fashion and the woman who revolutionized footwear. Today, we're talking about Maud Frizon, a visionary designer who left an indelible mark on the industry. What makes her story so captivating? Well, it's a tale of creativity, rebellion, and a unique design philosophy that challenged the status quo. Maud Frizon burst onto the fashion scene in the 1970s, and her journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine this, a designer with no formal training in shoe design, yet her creations became the talk of Paris, New York, and beyond. Her secret weapon? An unorthodox approach that defied traditional footwear conventions. While others played it safe, Frizon embraced bold color combinations and unconventional details, creating a signature style that was both daring and playful. But here's the twist, her most iconic innovation was the cone heel. This design, which emerged in the 1980s, was a game-changer. It wasn't just about looks, it was about comfort. Frizon's cone heel was a stylish statement that also provided an unexpected level of wearability. This is where I think Frizon's genius truly shines. She understood that fashion and function could coexist, and her designs reflected this balance. It's no wonder celebrities like Cher were spotted scooping up her creations. Now, what's fascinating is how Frizon's journey began. She faced resistance from factories when she pushed for her unique vision. They doubted her, saying her ideas wouldn't sell. But Frizon, being the trailblazer she was, persisted. Her first collection, featuring canvas boots, was a hit, especially among fashion critics. This success fueled her determination, and she went on to open her own factory and conquer the European market. Frizon's impact on the industry is undeniable. Her designs influenced the likes of Christian Louboutin, and she collaborated with fashion powerhouses such as Sonia Rykiel and Gianni Versace. But what I find most intriguing is her design philosophy. Frizon believed that shoes were the ultimate accessory, and she designed with a confident, fashion-forward woman in mind. This perspective challenges the notion that shoes are just a functional necessity. In her eyes, they were a statement of self-expression and elegance. The story of Maud Frizon is a reminder that breaking the rules can lead to groundbreaking innovation. Her journey inspires us to embrace our unique visions, even when faced with skepticism. Personally, I find it fascinating how her lack of formal training became an asset, allowing her to think outside the box. It's a testament to the power of creativity and the impact it can have on an entire industry. So, the next time you slip on a pair of statement heels, remember the legacy of Maud Frizon and her fearless approach to fashion.